The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't just feel like a gadget, it feels like a glimpse into the future of pocket-sized filmmaking. From the moment you hold it, there's a clear sense that DJI hasn't just upgraded its camera line, they've redefined it. While its predecessors were already impressive in their own right, this new version takes things to a whole new level. Every detail seems intentional, every feature crafted to empower the user in ways we didn't even realize were missing before. And it's not just about features stacked on a spec sheet, it's about how those features come together to create an experience that's smooth, intuitive, and incredibly powerful. DJI has always been synonymous with gimbal technology, but the Osmo Pocket 4 pushes that legacy even further. Unlike digital stabilization techniques that crop footage and reduce image quality, the mechanical gimbal here does the job flawlessly. Whether you're sprinting down a trail, chasing waves on a surfboard, or capturing the hustle of a crowded market, the footage remains astonishingly smooth. This kind of stabilization does more than just improve video quality, it opens up creative possibilities. You can explore, move, and experiment knowing your camera can keep up. Then comes the user interface, which has been completely reimagined. The touchscreen isn't just a display, it's your control center. When you're in the middle of action, every second matters, and this interface respects that. The redesigned UI is proof that DJI understands creators. They know we want speed, clarity, and efficiency, and they've delivered all of that in one sleek layout. When it comes to image quality, the Osmo Pocket 4 punches way above its weight. The 4K footage it delivers is crisp, vibrant, and detailed. Every frame looks like it was pulled straight from a high-end DSLR or mirrorless setup. The colors are rich without being oversaturated, and even under difficult lighting conditions, the camera performs with poise. It doesn't just survive tough environments, it thrives in them. That kind of consistency is rare in a camera this size. Most compact devices have to compromise somewhere, but DJI has somehow balanced quality and portability with remarkable finesse. But the real shocker: low light performance. Most action cameras fall apart when the lights go down. Grain invades every shadow, and detail disappears into mush. Not here. The Osmo Pocket 4 handles dim environments with ease, thanks to its refined sensor and lens system. Indoor events, evening walks, cityscapes at dusk, these scenes still come out looking cinematic, not chaotic. And that changes everything. It means you don't have to stop filming just because the sun has set. The camera adapts to your vision, not the other way around. Then there's the slow motion. So many cameras promise high frame rates, but deliver blurry, unusable footage. DJI has cracked the code. The slow motion on the Pocket 4 is buttery smooth, sharp, and dramatic. Whether it's a dancer mid-spin, a skateboard flipping, or even just raindrops falling from a ledge, the camera captures it all in breathtaking clarity. It doesn't just slow things down, it elevates them. Battery life is another area where this camera quietly impresses. Many action cameras chew through their batteries like candy, forcing constant recharges and missed moments. But the Osmo Pocket 4 stays cool and keeps going. It's built for endurance. Long hikes, full-day shoots, travel days, this camera can handle it all without begging for a power bank. And when you're in the zone, focused on your story, that kind of reliability is priceless. The design is classic DJI, sleek, minimal, and surprisingly durable. It's a camera that feels great in the hand, but doesn't scream for attention. The build is tough enough to survive drops and rough weather, yet refined enough to blend into any shooting environment. And its size, perfect. Slip it into your pocket or throw it in a side pouch, it's always ready when inspiration strikes. This is the kind of camera that disappears when you don't need it and reappears like magic when you do. Sharing content has also been streamlined in the most satisfying way. DJI's companion app makes pairing effortless. Once you're connected, you can preview footage in real time, edit with precision, and upload in seconds. It's seamless. You no longer have to dread transferring files or editing them later on a computer. Everything you need is right there on your phone, accessible and fast. It turns the process from a chore into part of the creative flow. One of the most underrated aspects of this camera is how it grows with you. DJI isn't treating it like a disposable piece of tech. They're supporting it with regular firmware updates that enhance core features like autofocus, subject tracking, and exposure control. That ongoing evolution adds tremendous value. It's like the camera is learning, adapting to your needs, and unlocking new tools over time. More advanced users might wish for deeper manual control settings or simpler solutions for using external mix. The accessory ecosystem, while solid, could use some expansion for more complex shooting setups. But these are small trade-offs in a package that otherwise excels in almost every department. It's rare to find a product that feels this complete right out of the box. At the end of the day, what makes the Osmo Pocket so special isn't any one feature. It's how all of these innovations come together to serve the creator. The stabilization, the image quality, the user interface, the battery life, the compact form, each one plays its part. And together, they create a tool that encourages you to film more, explore more, and share more. It's a camera that doesn't get in your way. Instead, it quietly empowers you to tell your story, your way. Whether you're an adventurer capturing rugged landscapes, a travel blogger exploring vibrant cities, or just someone who loves documenting life's fleeting moments, the Osmo Pocket 4 is a companion worth having. It doesn't demand attention, it earns it. And it delivers footage that feels far bigger than the device it came from. DJI has once again shown that big things really do come in small packages, and this one might just change how you see mobile filmmaking forever.